Subscribe to simplify your space and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any future updates from our channel. Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is all about Zipouch and it is powered by Zipouch. If you have been following me for long, then you must have noticed that I'm a fan of Zipouch. It is one of my favorite organizing product because of its build quality and multi-usages. Zipouch is a B2C product of Uflex. Uflex is India's leading flexible packaging and an emerging global player. It offers end-to-end flexible packaging solutions in India and overseas. Zipouch offers a range of storage bags which can be used for food and non-food storage. There are numerous ways that Zipouch can be used to organize for your day-to-day need, from food services to all multi-purpose requirements. In this video, I will be showing you 15 best usages of Zipouch. So let's get started. Store your weekly stock of veggies and fruits in Zipouch to keep them fresh for longer. Remove the stems from greens like spinach, fenugreek and coriander and store them in these Zipouch bags for instant use. Same way you can keep curry leaves, clean ginger, green chilies and peeled garlic to save time in your kitchen. By using these Zipouch bags, you will not only increase the shelf life of your veggies and fruits, but also can keep your fridge clean and organized all the time. If you're a working woman and don't get time to cut vegetables for your meals every day, then you can store your cut vegetables in these Zipouch bags. Zipouch reduces moisture loss and extends the shelf life of fruits and vegetables stored in the refrigerator and keep the nutrients alive. So cut the vegetables on your day off and use them for a week. If cut vegetables are available in your fridge, then it will not take much time to prepare your meals, even if you reach home late. If you're a fitness freak and love to have fresh smoothies in the morning but are always short of time, then you can always pre-prepare your smoothie ingredients in the Zipouch bag and freeze. Just wash and cut the ingredients and prepare separate bags for each day and put them in the freezer. In the morning, just take out one bag, put the ingredients in the mixer and that's it, your power-packed smoothie is ready. You can also keep your non-vegetarian food like chicken, mutton, fish and seafood fresh for months in Fresh and Lock Zipouch bags. Just make sure you pack the food as per the portion and store them in these bags. When needed, take out one bag and use all at once. Zipouch also ensures that no aroma transfers from one food type to another. Like even if your freezer is full of vegetarian food and ice creams and you also want to keep non-vegetarian food here but are afraid of aroma transfer, then you can safely keep everything without worrying, as Zipouch locks the aroma inside the bag and does not let it pass through the seal. You are having a party in your house and you want to prepare food in advance and store them in the fridge, but there is no enough space. Just store everything in these Zipouch and zip foil bags to save space and keep things ready for the evening. These bags are super space saver. Also, you can store all the leftover food from the party in Zipouch bags to keep them fresh for longer. No time to grab snacks? On-the-go snack pack is ready. You can easily have your snacks while traveling and keep back the leftover without worrying about the mess. Same way you can prepare snack packs for picnics and road trips. It's an efficient way to pack kids' food for travel instead of carrying them in containers, which is difficult to hold and wash while traveling. So you can just pass one pack of food whenever they feel hungry and travel peacefully. You can keep your extra spices stored in these Zipouch bags to keep them fresh for long and to save space. We have a dedicated video on spice organization. The video link is provided in the description box. These bags are a great way to organize your traveling essentials like toiletries, medicines, undergarments, etc. The press and lock bags have the additional benefit of storing liquids with no spills and prevent clothes getting spoiled due to accidental spillage. Also, these big Zipouch bags are best to carry dirty, soiled and wet clothes while returning from the trip, as they don't let any smell to pass through the seal. So you can safely keep your clean and dirty clothes in the same bag without worrying about the smell. You can also keep your slippers and shoes in these bags for the same purpose. No smell transfer. If you're a junk jewelry lover but not able to keep them organized, then use these small Zipouch bags to keep them segregated and organized. As they are transparent pouches, you can easily find your jewelry when needed. Also, it protects jewelry from dust and getting tarnished. Segregate your jewelry as per the type, like gold, silver, oxidized pearls, etc. You can also keep traditional jewelry sets and bangles safe in these Zipouch bags. If you have kids at home, then you must be having a lot of art and craft supply to organize. So keep them organized with these Zipouch bags. Like here, I've segregated all the decorative washi tapes in one bag and laces in another bag. Small beads, mirrors, pom-poms and other smaller items can be stored in different small pouches. By doing this, all the craft supplies stay organized and easy to find. Same way, I have segregated all the art supplies in different pouches like crayons, hand paints, glass paints, acrylic paints, pencil colors, etc. If you're a new mom, then these Zipouch bags can be really handy to organize your diaper bag. Make separate changing bags with one pair of clothes and a diaper, and a bag with cleaning wipes, tissue and some other essentials. Whenever your baby needs a change while traveling, just pick up these two bags and go to the washroom for change and put back the soiled clothes in the same bag. Also prepare different bags for extra diapers, toys and medicines, which will help you stay organized while traveling, and things will be easy to find from the bag when needed. Small toys are hard to organize, so keep them segregated in these Zipouch bags, like pretend and play sets, Play-Doh sets, blocks, magnetic alphabets, cars, puzzles, etc. So whenever your kid needs any toys, you can just pick up one bag and give it to him and place back the pieces once he is done. Also, these are helpful while going down to the park to play or for travel. You can just pick up one or two bags quickly to keep them busy while traveling. Keep your handbag organized with these Zipouch bags. Keep all the items segregated and organized with the help of Zipouch bags like women hygiene essentials, makeup, charger and earphone, snacks, medicines and other miscellaneous items. By doing this, your handbag will always stay organized and any item will be easy to find. Keep all the medicines segregated and organized in your medicine box, like different bags for fever, cold, acidity, painkillers, etc. Also, you can make a separate bag for emergency medicines which can be kept in your side table, so that when required, you don't need to get up from your bed and go to the main medicine cabinet. These large size Zipouch bags are really good for storing seasonal and occasional wear clothes to protect them from dust and pest. Like you can store your fancy saris in these Zipouch bags and keep them organized. Also, now winters are going on, so you can store all your summer clothes in these Zipouch bags and keep them in separate cabinet or bed box to make space in your main closet. So these were some usages of Zipouch bags. Now let me tell you why only Zipouch. These Zipouch bags are FDA approved and made of BPA free food grade material which is totally safe to store refrigerating vegetables, fruits, meat, bread and for reheating etc. These are perfect to organize a variety of purposes. The unique material and slider lock system of zip pouch maintain high nutritional value by retaining the freshness of the food products for a longer time. The press and lock bags have the additional benefit of storing liquids with no spills. These are reusable and reversible pouches. Printing ink that you can see on zip pouch is sandwiched between two lamination layers, so no ink comes in contact with your food, whether inside or outside zip pouch. They come in various sizes, large, medium, small, and a separate snack and kids pack. The brand is available in Class A outlets and modern trade, and it is also available online. Please find the link in the description box of this video. So thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.